Welcome to APL Window Solutions, New Zealand's leading window and door specialists. APL is a family-owned business committed to quality and innovation. We open all the right doors when it comes to looking after our diverse network of manufacturers. And best of all, our products are made right here in New Zealand. Just like our windows, we're hard-working and completely transparent. With a committed customer service team, specialist marketing division, and on-call technical and business support, you can rest assured you're in safe hands, because everything we do is underpinned by our unique business partnership approach. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing plants and highly specialized business units allow us to produce and develop industry-leading products within some of the largest, most modern facilities in the country, including our two-press extrusion facility, Inex, which uses the latest manufacturing techniques to produce almost 70% of New Zealand's window and door extrusions. Alpac, the country's largest manufacturer of entrance doors, hardware and componentry. Our anodizing plant, Finex, which uses an extensive 7-step aluminium anodizing process. PPL, our specialty plastic extrusion plant, which produces seals, wedges and components. Our powder coating business, Colourworks, has 3 different lines, one of which includes a vertical powder coat cube, the first of its kind in New Zealand. And our world-leading UPVC manufacturing facility, Clima, which features seamless Italian welding technology to produce locally designed windows and doors. We also boast the most modern testing facility in New Zealand and have the ability to test water and air infiltration on both commercial and residential scales using 2 IANZ certified test booths. And to service and deliver to our manufacturing group, APL Direct have a fleet of 18 trucks that are mostly Euro 5 rated for exhaust emissions. We're committed to research and innovation and work closely with architects and builders to create quality products that tick all the right boxes. And with a broad and extensive portfolio, we cover all aspects of the supply chain with our Vantage brand. So choose APL. It will open doors for you.